Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start in a contained lab, set up an isolated VM or development network so no production services are affected. Once done, generate a single test certificate and private key or request one from a local development CA. This keeps real trust chains intact. Make sure to take snapshots and record current trust store entries and application config. You are about to modify validation behavior temporarily. Documenting the baseline makes it straightforward to reverse changes and prevents accidental, long-term security drift. Now proceed with minimal impact changes. Prefer application-level test flags or developer modes that bypass validation only within the app, rather than disabling system-wide TLS checks. Alternatively, add your test CA certificate to the process-specific trust store so only your test cert is trusted. Make sure to scope the change to specific host names, ports, and test accounts. Doing this limits blast radius and preserves overall system security. Keep logs of what you change so rollback is exact and verifiable. Finish by removing any test CA entries and disabling developer modes. Then restore the original snapshots so production trust is fully reinstated. Once reverted, run automated certificate validation checks and integration tests to confirm normal TLS behavior. If you encounter failures, stop further changes, restore the snapshot you created earlier, and inspect the documented changelog to find what persisted. One key troubleshooting tip: if clients still fail validation, check for cached trust stores and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.